she drawing there, I wonder?
I want a burger!
A burger? But it's not very healthy. A burger? Okay, the challenge is accepted.
A burger? Great! We take a patty. That's it, we'll do it quickly. And of course some tomatoes. Let's first cut it. The knife was weird. Oh, it didn't work out very nice. Okay, let's put tomatoes on a bun. And now some cheese. I'll do without a knife. That's how clever I am. Great. Ow! My patties are burning! How painful! Yeah, the gloves were definitely not extra. Now let's put the patty on the bun. Well, it's a little burnt, but okay. And now, we need to put on another bun on top. Oh, my hands!
A bun? A patty? No way, I'll do without it. An apple is what my granddaughter needs. And another useful fruit. Banana. Well, how without kiwi and delicious strawberries? Now we'll fold everything neatly. And we'll get a super nutritious fruit burger. It looks great. The chef is starting to cook. I'll make the best burger in the world. All the ingredients are in place. And it smells so good. First some onion. Then cheese and a patty. And some salad. And some more cheese and carrots. And don't forget about the pepperoni. Voila, server burger is done.
Mine is still better. Bon appetit, sis.
Oh, finally! Now I'll choose the best burger. This one looks just awful. I definitely won't eat this. And this one looks interesting. Let's try it. Not bad. I love fruits, but it's not really a burger. What a cool burger! And it's so big! It tastes even better! This one! I choose this one!
I knew I would win. Not gonna lie. Oh, big deal.
Oh, my hands!
This time I want lemonade!
Lemonade?
It's easy. Whatever. Let's get started. I'll start with decorating the glass. Let's add some sugar. Now we're taking a beautiful glass and dipping it in some honey, just so everything sticks perfectly. Okay, looks perfect. And now, let's work a little with ice. I love it. It's so relaxing. First class ice is ready. Carefully pour it into a glass. What are you doing? Oh, those kids. They don't even know what lemonade is. I'm gonna tell you how to do it. Squeeze the juice into the water. Perfect. Now let's taste it. Oh, it's so sour. We need to urgently add some sugar. And we need to eat some sugar as well. Oh, that's a lot better. Is that enough? Oh, no. Perhaps some more.
Oh, what should I do? An idea! We'll throw chocolates into the blender. We'll add some M&Ms and chocolate balls. Some delicious ice cream next. And then let's add some milk. Now let's mix everything. Let's pour out what happened. And the last touch is a straw. Check it out, Grandma.
Boy, my dear boy, look. This is a real lemonade. Is that real lemonade you have? Okay, the final touch are some berries. And don't forget about strawberries. Fill it in there. And let's mix everything up. I'm now gonna add blueberries here. And now we're almost ready. Adding the first layer to the glass. And the second one on top. Let's add a straw and it's done. Bon appetit.
I think I'll start with this one. How beautiful. And very, very yummy. What do we have here? It's just like water and lemons. Ow! How sour! No, definitely not. And what is this? Is this lemonade? Okay, I'll try it. Wow! How delicious it is! I definitely choose this cocktail.
Yeah! I won! Hooray!
Well done, baby.
Grandma?
What's there?
I want chips.
Chips? Seriously? I know what to do. Let's take this thing and peel out the potato. Great. Just what I need. I'll do something better with a knife. Watch and learn. That is how it should be. Look how many potatoes I have.
What should I do? Alright, I'll try it. We just need to peel out the potato. Great! Looks like a chip.
Oh, my poor guy. You should have seen how I did it. Perfect. Now we need to lay it out. And let's put it in the oven. How pleased she looks. Oh, whatever. The victory will still be mine. Let's go. Put the potatoes in a blender, add some milk, and let's mix it up. Then put it in some molds, and let's fry it. While my potatoes are frying, I'm gonna cut up the avocado. Let's take out the seed and use our avocados. We're going to put it in blender as well, add some salt and some pepper, and mix it up as well. Voila! Time to pour it out, and our guacamole sauce is ready. What a smell! My perfect chips are almost ready. It remains to add the onion. And are you going to win with these chips? It's funny. Nothing better than some onion.
I figured out what to do with my potatoes. I'll put them in a toaster. They'll cook pretty fast. Grandma, I'm a genius. It's on fire! Oh no! They're completely black! Okay, it'll do.
Yeah, that's horrible. My perfect potato chips are done. And the sauce is in the middle. Again, she came up with something tricky. Kate, choose.
Let's see, what do we have? Looks good. Yeah. And here? Also pretty cute. What is this black horror? Those black burn scary things. Horrible. I don't want to eat them. Let's try these potatoes. So good. I like it. And what do we have here? Something unusual and some sauce. Wow. Wow! Very interesting! Yummy! I choose this one!
Yes! As I've said, I won.
I wonder what we'll have to cook. I want French fries. French fries? Well, that's easy. French fries. Well, never mind. I can do that. Okay, it's easy. Let's go. Oh. Fine. Come on, stupid potato. Ugh. Ow! How painful. Do that again and I'll get you. It was her. Grandma. Yeah. What? Hey, you're a cutie. Now we'll cut everything up quickly. Like this. We'll put everything here. And add a little bit of oil. And don't forget about seasonings. We still need to add spices. No, that's enough. Well, the only thing left is to put it in the oven. Only a true professional knows how to work with potatoes. See? Perfect slices. How beautiful and smooth they are. Just like that. And let's add seasonings. What a delicious smell. The only thing left is to fry them properly. Yeah, almost done.
Yeah!
It smells great. Toaster is fast and efficient. Come on, we agree on that, right? The only thing left is to wait a little bit. And... yay! Got it! My French fries are ready. And here I am. Now, let's put the potato on the plate. So appetizing. Just sprinkle with herbs. It smells wonderful. Just look at her. Here I have a real potato and real French fries. And the finishing touch is the sauce. Just choose. Wow, how many French fries? Let's start with this one. Strange. Let's measure it. Well, just like the norm, I can eat it. Whoa, how delicious. So good.
Yeah!
Now this one. Very good. I think I'll eat it again. Very cool. Now, ooh, how beautiful it looks. What a golden one. Let's dip it in the sauce. Yummy stuff. Ooh, wow, this is awesome. I approve. I choose this French fries. Ooh, so good. My French fries won. However, I knew it. Envy and Silas losers. And now, I want scrambled eggs.
Okay.
Good.
Nice.
Oh, easy. Oh no. Oh no. It crashed. Oh, so I'll quickly get the whole shell out of there. Ow, ow, hot.
Ew.
Okay. Fine. It's gonna be fine. Everything is possible, right? Let's add some salt. No! Oh, why am I so unlucky today? Oh no. Now it's burning! Oh, let's cover it. Like that. That's better. Okay, you have to do it calmly. Stir the eggs, add milk. Well, that's great. Now you stir. Oh, what's wrong with my hand? Let me help you. I can't even joke now, or what? Why are you so serious? So now you add some salt. Pour everything into the frying pan. Just like that. Hold this, baby. See how our famous chef is doing. Look at that. First, we add some water.
Nice.
You need to boil it. And then you get a special package. Break the egg. Just like that. Now we close it and lower it into the water. And wait. So beautiful. Ooh, it's time. It's time to get the egg. Just like that. We put it on the plate. Sprinkle with salt.
Ooh la la.
Wonderful. Oh, and I'll sprinkle my dish with herbs. And I'll add tomatoes. Wow, it looks super delicious, Grandma. And what happened to your eggs, baby? Mine? Oh, I completely forgot. Oh no, what a horror. A nightmare. What is it? I've never seen anything worse. We're ready. Well, let's see what we have here. Something unpleasant. I won't even taste it. And this one. Ooh.
What?
Did it? I don't like that. What is this, yolk? Ew, no, not for me. And what's that? Looks very appetizing. And smells very good too. And so delicious. This one, I choose this one. Me? Did you really choose me? Yeah, I won. Oh, something caught my back. I want a milkshake in this round. Milkshake, then. What could be simpler than a milkshake? That ugly glass? No. Here is our size. Ooh, Haribo bears. Just put it there. And some chips. And let's add some Coca-Cola. I can't wait to try it myself.
Wow.
We're going to mix everything up now. Yeah, so cool. Pour the milk. Then some chocolate bar. Hershey's, so good. So delicious. And then we stir constantly. The chocolate will melt. And it tastes so good. Let's put it in a mug.
Hooray!
And now let's add some marshmallows on top. I know that my granddaughter loves them so much. Last touch. Look at this, so cool. Yeah, not really. Let's pour some syrup on the glass. Now ice cream. And put it in the blender.
Wow.
Some Nutella and delicious milk. We cover all this and mix it up. Ready. We pour what we got into a glass, decorate with vanilla foam, and Oreo. Some chocolate chips and chocolate balls. Just perfect.
Ooh la la.
Ooh, I wouldn't mind tasting that.
Come on.
We're ready. Wow, how many delicious things. Something strange. What's that? Ew, what a mess. Ooh, how cute. What delicious marshmallows. how delicious it is itself. Wow, it looks awesome. And the taste is just as awesome as the look. Ooh, it's Oreo. Yummy. I give the victory to this milkshake. Yes, I knew it. Well, how insulting. I tried so hard.